video, let us understand about the product of two vectors. Algebra of vectors allows us to multiply two vectors. Multiplication of vectors is defined in two ways. The first one is the dot product, which is the scalar product. And the second one is the vector product, which is also called as the cross product. When we take the dot product of two vectors, the end result is a scalar, and that is the reason it is called as a scalar product. And when we take the cross product, the end result is a vector. That's the reason it is called as a vector product. Now, the dot product is defined as follows. The dot product of two vectors, A vector and B vector, is given as A vector dot B vector is equal to modulus of A vector into modulus of B vector into cosine of the angle between them. When we take modulus of A vector, it is a scalar. Modulus of B vector, again it is a scalar. And cos theta is also a scalar. Therefore, the end product is a scalar. Whereas the cross product of two vectors, A vector and B vector, is defined as A vector cross B vector is equal to modulus of A vector into modulus of B vector into sine theta into n cap, where A vector, B vector and n cap form a right-handed system. Now, how do they form a right-handed system? Now, let us consider A vector directed onto the right and B vector starting from its initial position of A directed as you see. Now, if I have a screw and if I move it from A to B in the direction specified, then the screw will come upwards in a direction perpendicular to both A and B, and that is n vector. Thus, we find that A vector is perpendicular to n vector and B vector is also perpendicular to n vector. Thus, A vector, B vector and n cap are mutually perpendicular.